want to say anything while she was looking. She's so nosy. She needs to know what's in there. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, but I do want to show you it's pouring out. And hello, outage. What is going on? Messed up YouTube for a couple of days. I mean, I even saw one of my videos that said 30,000 views. I'm like, what? And then, of course, it went back down to 1,000. Working on the dollhouse. Babe, what you doing, babe? Babe, psst, psst, what are you doing? And I have a lot going on. And so this was sent to me. And it's a lovely letter from someone who was around, like in the early 2018, 19, and 20. And I have a letter to read. She asked me not to put her name out. I certainly won't. But I guess she got involved in a lot of whatever was happening when I was being bullied and attacked. And I'll read you the letter. But I have loveliness. The beautiful dollhouse is completely stripped. I took the wallpaper out. I took everything out. I'm going to do it over. And I have orders out the kazoo. Waiting. And let's check this out. So it is dark even with the lights on, and I wanted to show you this beautiful sheer scarf. Isn't it gorgeous? Love it. Hello. So it is Friday. I have many scarves coming in. Of course, all the ones that came in already sold and they're gone. Look at this, Brenda. How beautifully sheer this is. I try to tell you these scarves are gorgeous. They're going to be used in many of my lovelies coming out. And let's get to this because I'm excited. So I got to switch up glasses. I did make this cell phone holder. But guess what, ladies? It's great for the glasses too. And goes in your purse. Lovely, lovely. Along with my scissors one. I'll put a couple more in there. They're already sold. I made this cute little pad today. I have lots going on. There was an outage. Like, it's still going on. I don't know what happened, but I could tell something happened. And something happened with my apps for my bank and stuff. And listen, investigate your own stuff. But yeah, YouTube was on a terrible glitch. And somebody had left a comment. And I'm like, what? Don't leave comments on my wall. I reported it. Until you investigate things. You're not out here long enough to make comments on people's walls. Number one, I don't explain, but number two, I have many channels. The first one, Bella Vintage Notebook, there's over 6,000 women on there, and they want to stay there. So, and that's fine. I'm just going to keep using that channel too. But I have other channels that I don't even have out yet. I have many aspects of people coming in looking because of my hashtags. And I'm explaining shabby chic home decor, shabby chic bags, the cat, the dollhouse, the journals. This channel is just not all journals. Journals are a big part, but it's just not all journals. Youngster, learn something before you make comments because you can get a lot of enemies that way. I had my time in bullying, and this is actually a lady here who wrote me a letter, which I'm going to read to you first. Ooh, look at the paper. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Anyway, she asked me not to put her name out, which I will not. Of course, I never do that. Hi, Nisi. I am thrilled to reconnect with you after all these years. I've been a huge fan of your work and had the privilege of purchasing your journals in the early days. Although I took a hiatus from journaling due to the negativity I witnessed, I am now inspired to rekindle my passion. I am overjoyed to see that you are still creating and sharing your talents with the world. As a token of my admiration, I would like to gift you a beautiful 1930s quilt. I can't wait to see it. That has been treasured in my attic for years. Very vintage, along with a few other special items. Alexa, stop. I hope these gifts will bring you joy and inspiration for future creations. Ooh, and I could use them in my journals. I can't wait. I'm eager to make amends for lost time and catch up on the incredible journals you have created over the years. I wholeheartedly, that R is tough on me, believe that our paths have crossed again for a reason, and I hope you will welcome me back with open arms. And then in parentheses it says, one must never listen to ungrateful gossip to terrorize, I can't, the R's, terrorize other artists. Sincerely, your customer and admirer of Misty Rose. That only tells you how far back that was. Thank you. I'm not going to say your name, but thank you. Let's dive in. So, anyway, these were in her attic, and 1926. 1926. I'm afraid to bend it. So, this is not English. It's May, M-A-I. Is this French? I don't know what this is. Or is it Spanish? 1926. I don't know. I'm going to have to ask my daughter, or my granddaughter, I mean. They know language really well. I have to look it up. And so, this publication was 134 West 37th Street in New York. I'm going to New York on a trip. Copyrighted in 1903. Oh my God. I love it. The left hand isn't working well. It's raining. Oh my Lord. There ain't much to it, but guess what? It's mine. And how beautiful is that? Is that Italian? Madeline. I think it's Italian. This was priced at 50 cents. Oh my gosh. I'm going to make a cover out of this and put it behind Clearcraft for myself. Thank you. Wow. Oh, you can bend it. That's going to go in there. Oh. Well, we know this bags. These are, yeah, I know that bag. Okay, so let's see. I won't keep you long. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, there's an inscription. Good Lord. I'll never be able to read that. What does that say? I think it's a date. I don't know. I'll have to get my daughter, my granddaughter to look. Even with my eyeglasses, there's no way I'm looking at that. Wow. Wow. It's got a little crack in it, but who cares? Wow. I mean, I always smell everything. I don't know why. It's crazy. There's oh, I could barely see it. It's an inscription because I see a little round. I can't read it. I'll have to get my thank you, my granddaughter and my daughter to read it. I love gifts. I've gotten lots of gifts. I've gotten lots of quilts over the time, actually. Ooh, this is really nice. How vintage this is. Well, guess what? When I create this is going to go on the front of it. Now I just have to find that perfect something to go in it. Or, no, I don't want to cut this, so. Oh, I'll figure it out. You know me. Okay, are we ready? We're ready. So I don't want to just get my head in here. Oh, Lord. Look at, oh my God, is this heavy? Babe, look at this. Oh my God, it's so heavy. There ain't no way I can even lift this with my one hand. There ain't no kidding how heavy this is. This is heavier than me. Oh my God. And look how much. It just smells like, you know, a grandma's house. Not mothballs, though. Oh, my Lord. One side has all, well, yeah, because that's made the quilt part. Look at, they're all patches. They're all patches. Oh my God, look at the work. And I don't know what's in there, but something. Well, obviously, whatever they made back in the 1930s, I mean, what did they have? See, two sides. Oh, I could see something. I don't know what I see. Oh, I feel like I see something. I don't know, whatever they put inside of it. Wow. It's got some vintage marks to it, but oh my God, look at how big it is. Oh, look at, there's a safety pin. Oh, wow, and it's an old one. Can you see it? That is old. Old, old. There's another one. Yeah, there's some kind of batting in there. It looks like batting of some sort, but oh my gosh, I almost don't want to do it, but I'm gonna. Look at the vintage lovely quilts we're gonna get out of this. Journals. I may even do a package or two in the shop. Look at how big it is. Oh my goodness. This is grand. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I love quilts, obviously. I'm a quilt person. I'm going to do, this channel is a mixed channel, by the way. Just by the way. It's a mixed channel. No, no, no. See, she smells something she doesn't know. How lovely. No, no, no. She's smelling objects she just doesn't know the smell to. How lovely. How lovely. I love it. I'm going to make a journal out of this for myself. And I don't know, you know, pins, what have you. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is what excites me. And this, oh, so beautiful. So I'm going to be working on the dollhouse. Oh, these just came in. I wanted to show you these. How pretty are these? They're going to go into my, I have a little pack of scissors that's all kind of pretty scissors. Oh, yeah, got the plastic thing. I got to watch that little plastic thing with her. Look at how pretty these are. Pretty, pretty. Rose gold. So I have lots going on. I have a new line called Sophia's. And it's Italian, obviously. Where's my other glasses? Can't see far without them. Can't see close without them. The reasoning of this, real quick. Broke my nose when I was very young with a baseball bat, playing with the boys. And where the bone was broke, the glasses can't sit below it or above it, or the bifocals won't work. So I have to have readers in these for the rest of my life. 2. Oh well, worse things could happen, right? Like a gallbladder. So anyway, pouches for the glasses. And they're so pretty, and the quilts are worth it, the money. There's no two ways about it. I have tons of orders going out. Tons of orders going out. Loveliness. A lot of emails we're getting on the new collection of Lily Rose. So what I need to do now is, I'm taking 6 days off. I'm going to work on my dollhouse. I stripped her completely, as all of you that have been watching the dollhouse on my private Facebook, my Instagram, what have you, Pinterest. She was all decorated. Now I stripped her, so I want to redecorate her because she's been decorated now for going on 4 years. It's time for a redo. And all those beautiful envelopes and the clips and what have you that was just out, they're all sold. They're all gone. I will make more. I have many requests on them. I will make more. I'm waiting for scrapbook.com to send that package in. I got 4 packages of the laser cut. I don't make any money off scrapbook.com. I'm just telling you that. I don't even put their link out because not for that reason. I mean, I'll put their link underneath, but there's other artists out here that work with them and put their link out. So that's why I don't do that. I would never put a link out that's going to hurt somebody else. However, I have an Amazon. I've had an Amazon for how many years like everybody else. So I do have an Amazon list you could check out for anything that you may see that you may want that I get from Amazon. And then that's it. And it's Friday. And she's looking at me like, Mama, please let me in there. and I'm going to be doing this all weekend. Packages, there's some packages going out tomorrow, which is that second Lily Rose, and I'm not putting out any names, and the scarf and clear tags and things like that. And then next week there's lots of packages going out, so I should be pretty caught up. I still have to work on book of the month, and I have lots going on. So how about this? You vintage bundle ladies want a couple of these, and that's it. I just wanted to do this on here because I couldn't do it on a minute thing, and I wanted to show the dollhouse and then say this channel is going to be about a whole lot of shabby chic and vintage everything. And if you like that, that's great. And if you don't have to subscribe. It's fine. I just want to say, after all these years of being in business and being out here, if I end up with 300 people in my circle and that's as far as it goes, we're good. I'm good with that. We have wonderful VIPs who keep me quite busy. So feel free to subscribe. Watch what's going to happen. There's going to be clothing. There's going to be scarves. There's going to be home decor. There's going to be lovely items made, not just with quilts, with other lace. I have collectible Bunnies by the Bay, Muffy. I have dolls I'm bringing out. There's going to be clothing with them. There's going to be journals to match bedrooms, to match living rooms. There's going to be journals to go in the kitchen. There's going to be lots. We just started. I think, what are we here, 2 months? Give me a break, 2 months. So my hashtags and the advertising that we're doing is putting it out everywhere, not just journals. I realize that some of the channels, their nieces are just a journal, just the decor, just this and just that. I'm not doing that. Not with this channel, because I'm a designer. I started out as an interior designer when I was a young lady, like 25, and worked my way up, young lady. Work your way up. I put my time into it. And this is what I want to do. So look at how excited I am. I need to calm down. Shh. I want to get to that. But I'm going to get to the dollhouse. There'll be clips in the next 6 days. I'm not in the internet in the next 6 days. And I will let you know through clips. I'm going to go through all the quilting and material today because I'm switching some stuff, and let you know how many more of the needle books I'll make, and if I'll make them in something different. Somebody asked me to make them in a vintage one, and look at one's coming out in a vintage. So whoever would expect that to happen. Sophia is white. She's a beautiful lace cream white collection, which is an Italy collection, and I love it. And I have other things coming in, some from Italy, lace and what have you. I buy my things all over the country. I'm going to take you to the antique shops as soon as the weather breaks so you can see where I'm getting them. And that's it. So, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's going to be a beautiful channel. Just come join us. If I can get back with comments, I can, but I don't promise them, is why a lot don't comment. Because guess what? I'm over here in my wonderland doing my wonder. And a few people reached out to me from the 2018 and 19. Listen, I'm not mad at anybody. If you got involved with something and whatever, I don't hold grudges or whatever. I don't care. I don't care to know. It doesn't matter to me. You know, you want to be a part of our community. Look at you're welcome. Everybody's welcome. Nobody's actually telling me anything about anybody or who did it or whatever, because they know I don't want to know. I don't let stuff like that eat me up. I just want you to know I'm aware of it. And this is my beautiful mother who just passed away a few months ago. We've been collecting dolls forever. Is she just not the sweetest? How she looks at me. And this is our BB when she was a little baby. If you don't like cats, I'm so sorry for you. Both of my parents have passed now, and I'm still living my dream. Thank you to them. Bye-bye.